Welcome back to Auto. Today I will show you how to crossplay work in the Hunter Call of Wild and how to set up in on console and PC.
Does the Hunter Call of the Wild support crossplay? Currently, the Hunter Call of the Wild does not support crossplay between console and PC. This means PC console, Xbox PlayStation, not supported Xbox PlayStation, not supported PC, Steam, Epic Games, Microsoft Store, supported via Apex Connect. How to play crossplay on PC, Steam, Epic, Microsoft Store. Step 1. Launch the Hunter Call of the Wild on your PC. Step 2. Sign in or create an Apex Connect account. Step 3. Add your friends via Apex Connect. Step 4. Create or join a multiplayer session. Step 5. Invite your friends, no matter if they're on Steam, Epic, or Microsoft Store.